another video. Today we're going to be doing a slime. So
Hey guys.
me and Brody just made slime. That's his.
And this one, and mine
And
almost
we
look like water.
Yeah, his almost looks like water. If you can't understand him, then I'm sorry. I'll just go over what he says because he's 5. He's 5 and he's, but he's little and
I know. Whoa!
oh, look at that.
Whoa! That was huge.
Now let's crack it. Crack it. I don't know why I said crack it.
Crack it.
We're gonna crack it, dude. It's totally radical. Radical, dude.
But I don't.
So
I
I'm
can't say
so excited to show you guys my slime.
The big reveal.
And 3, 2, 1. Hey, mine's a baby blue, basically.
Ooh.
And look at these nice clear bubbles it makes. Uno, dos, tres. Oh, I messed up because Brody was in my way. But this slime is really sticky so far. But it's like a good sticky.
But mine is stickier.
Yeah, Brody's is pretty sticky because he's like...
Ew. Ew. Get it off my hand. Get it off my hand. Ah.
Poke your slime.
What say? Mama, how you did this slime off me?
So, if you guys are wondering what I'm doing over here,
How is this?
I'm just like poking my slime and making it look better.
I just saw that big bubble.
Okay, Brody, come here. Want to get off your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, come here.
What?
So this is what we're going to do. Flip your hands over. See, it works.
Oh, cool. Ow, not
Did that hurt?
Yeah.
Sorry.
But when you got little one on yourself, just write it on your hair. Do it. Do it.
Well,
to
this slime is very sticky and stuff, but like...
Can I?
Brody, you guys are going to watch our slimes drizzle off the table, and we'll be right back. You know what? His is going to be in his bowl, and mine's going to sit in my bowl while we go do something.
Are they gonna follow us too?
Yes, this has some of the activator in it. It's clear Tide.
Yeah, it looks like kind of like poop slime, but it's not. Hers look like water, but mine is like old poop water. Ew. That weird.
Mine's getting really sticky.
And mine looks like sticky better than one. And when we are done with our blind video, then we will watch.
When we're all done with our slime video, we'll wash our hands off and we'll keep playing with our slime. But eventually, we have to stop playing with slime.
Get it off my hands. My hand is sticky. My hand.
I'm like a really good slime maker, and I haven't made a slime video in a long time because I had to throw all my slime away because they got all sticky. I had like almost 100 slimes, and I had to throw all of them away.
But mine is like stickier because like this one is kind of stickiest. Whoa! Did that poop out of me? Out my face! Ah! Ah!
I want it to be a sticky.
Hey!
It got Birdie slime all weird, but look, we're gonna wait until our slimes fall to there. And yeah, let's go. We'll be right back. You guys watch our slime.
There will come too.
Let's go. Me
They're,
and Brody will be right back. Come on, bros.
oh, they're coming with us because they're going to play too.
Okay. Well, we gotta just try to get something.
Yeah.
I like it. How about we get a fork?
And can I have one? This one is mine.
So, guys, I think you just heard that. We got forks. Oh, mine's so sticky. It stayed at the top.
Ew.
Ah.
Mine? Oh, mine fell down.
Because yours is not as sticky as mine.
Yeah.
Okay, well, so this is what you actually do with your fork.
Oh,
so
look
you,
what I'm
so
making.
you grab a little bit of slime and then you pull it up. And then you let it drip. And then it makes like bubbles and you have them.
Mine is going higher and higher.
Okay, well, you could see mine after.
Whoa.
Crap.
Mine was going so high.
Mine's almost touching the ceiling. Here, want mine to touch the ceiling first?
No.
Look, touch.
Mine,
Didn't you see that, Brody?
yeah, mine was almost touching the ceiling too.
Yeah, kinda. Look, so mine is literally
Whoa!
just mine.
Ew.
All mine has
Ew.
is in it is
Ew.
Tide
Lift it up.
and
Lift it up. Okay.
Tide. This also made it blue, a little titty bit blue. So mine is made out of Tide and clear glue.
Ooh.
His is made out of clear glue, paint, and also
A laundry thingy.
I know, Birdie.
Yes, it is.
Clear glue, Tide, and
Ew. Gross. Yeah, kind of like Tide because yours was like what?
Brody, I said stop touching mine.
Yours was kind of. Ah! What is that? Did that way?
Stop, Brody!
Can we do that way? My spares. Sorry, guys. We just. That thing
I
was
was
getting in the way.
AC.
Go!
If you can see me, comment down below.
I see you.
No, like see me through it. Let's go show your mom the slime. Come on, let's go show her.
No,
Brody,
I can't hold mine.
I can. Brody, you have to open the door quick. Run, open the door quick. Brody, hurry, my slime's dropping. Open the door. It's like, oh, I just see it. I just saw it.
Where? Where?
Just flying around.
Oh, there it is! I see it! Oh, there it is.
Where is it?
Wait, what?
Where is it, Brody?
I just saw it.
I see it.
Where's that?
Just landing over stuffed animal.
Ooh, creepy soft.
Brody, let's go out there.
Hun, no, don't go out yet, you guys.
Okay.
Because that one will work for me.
Look, Brady.
Is it a fly or a wasp?
I can't tell.
A lot. A flash.
It's a fly, you guys.
These guy was a baby wasp. Brody, we can put the slime on the floor. Okay, go get your slime.
Here, you guys play it up at the table just because I just washed the floor, so I don't want it to get all sticky.
Well, I'll be trying to make a big bubble with her.
Mine turns like purple. So it's like
Mama, did
It's just a 5, babe. I'm not that worried about it.
Mama did it out of the house. Did it out of the house.
Brody, it's just a little baby fly.
Can you get it out of the house?
Not right now, Rose. I'm gonna go finish pulling the weeds before the babies wake up.
Come on, Brody, let's go play outside.
Get it out.
You stop now.
Bye, guys.